There are now hundreds of AI writing tools on the market. Most of them are overpriced. A handful of them are genuinely game-changing, and knowing which is which will save you a lot of money and a lot of frustration. I've tested these tools extensively, and today I'm giving you the definitive ranked list for 2026. No affiliate agenda, just real talk. Before we dive in, let me tell you how I'm evaluating these. Output quality. Does it actually write well? Versatility. Can it handle different content types? Ease of use. Can a non-tech person use it? Value. Is it worth what it costs? And reliability. Does it work consistently without hallucinating garbage? With that framework in place, let's get into it. One thing I want to set as a baseline. The underlying model matters more than the interface. Most specialized writing tools are built on top of OpenAI's GPT-4, Anthropic's Claude, or Google's Gemini. When you pay extra for a platform like Jasper, you're paying for the templates, the workflow features, and the brand, not a fundamentally better AI model. Keep that in mind as we go through the rankings. There's also a meaningful difference between good output and good for your workflow. Some tools shine on long-form drafting. Others are built for speed on short-form copy. A full-time blogger and a marketing agency director have fundamentally different needs. And the same AI tool can be excellent for one and frustrating for the other. Before you commit to any subscription, ask yourself, what am I actually producing most? Blog posts, emails, ad copy, fiction? The answer should drive your decision more than any review, including this one. One more variable worth naming, your editing comfort level. If you're a confident editor who treats AI output as a first draft to be shaped and improved, you'll get great results from any of the top-tier tools. If you expect to copy-paste with minimal editing, you'll be disappointed with all of them. No AI writing tool produces publish-ready content without human refinement. The tools that require the least editing are the most expensive and the most specialized. Set that expectation correctly from the start. ChatGPT Plus, $20 a month. Still the king for most use cases. The thing that makes ChatGPT stand out is its versatility and its ability to hold context over a long conversation. It can write anything: blog posts, emails, scripts, proposals, code, social media content, and it learns your preferences as you interact with it. Custom instructions let you personalize every session. The file analysis feature is underrated for business use. Best for general-purpose writing, research, editing, brainstorming. The GPT-4o model available to Plus subscribers is meaningfully better than the free tier for complex writing tasks. It handles nuance better, maintains tone consistency over longer pieces, and is significantly more accurate on technical topics. For anyone doing writing professionally, the $20 a month is a no-brainer. Claude Anthropic, free pro $20 a month. Claude is arguably the best AI for long-form writing and nuanced content. It writes more naturally than GPT in many scenarios, and it handles long documents better. If you're writing articles, essays, or longer-form content, Claude often produces cleaner prose that needs less editing. It also has a massive context window, meaning you can feed it thousands of words and it doesn't lose track. Best for long-form content, editing, anything that needs a more natural voice. Claude's biggest advantage over ChatGPT for writers is that it seems to understand what good writing actually sounds like. Its prose is less generic, less corporate feeling, and requires less editing to sound human. Many professional writers use Claude as their primary drafting tool and ChatGPT for research and brainstorming. The combination is powerful. Jasper, $49 plus month. Jasper is specifically built for marketing teams and content operations. It has templates for ad copy, landing pages, email sequences, blog posts, and more. It also has brand voice features so your content stays consistent across your team. It's expensive for a solo creator, but for a small marketing team, it's legitimately useful. Best for marketing teams, agencies, brand-heavy content. Honest take, if you're a solo operator, Jasper's premium is hard to justify. The template library is convenient, but ChatGPT or Claude can replicate most of it with good prompts. If you're managing a content team of 3+ people and need collaboration features and consistent brand voice enforcement across writers, that's where Jasper earns its price. Copy.ai, $36 a month. Copy.ai has improved dramatically and now focuses on sales and marketing copy. Workflows let you automate repetitive content tasks. It's more approachable than Jasper for solo operators, and the pricing is reasonable. If your focus is ad copy, cold email, and sales messaging, Copy.ai punches above its weight. Best for sales copy, cold outreach, marketing automation. Sudowrite, $19 plus month. If you're writing fiction, Sudowrite is in its own category. It's designed specifically for novelists and screenwriters. Features like Story Engine help you plan, draft, and develop narratives in ways general-purpose AI can't. It's a niche tool, but it's the best niche tool for what it does. Best for novelists, screenwriters, creative writing. Writesonic, $16 plus month. Writesonic is decent for SEO-focused content and blog writing. Its ChatSonic feature is basically a ChatGPT alternative. It's not as good as the Tier 1 tools, but it's cheaper and has some useful SEO integrations. If budget is a hard constraint, it's worth considering. Writer, $9 month. Cheapest of the bunch and useful for short-form content, emails, product descriptions, social posts. Don't expect long-form magic, but for quick, cheap outputs on a tight budget, it works. Great for solopreneurs who just need help getting words out of their head and don't need premium output quality. Notion AI, included with Notiony. If you're already using Notion, the built-in AI is genuinely good for drafting, summarizing, and editing within your docs. It's not a standalone powerhouse, but as an add-on, it's one of the most useful tools in daily workflow. The ability to say, summarize this 2,000-word meeting transcript and get a clean action item list in under 30 seconds is worth its weight in gold. Perplexity AI, $20 a month. Not a traditional writing tool, but indispensable for writers who need sourced, current information. Perplexity searches the web in real time and cites its sources. It doesn't hallucinate facts the way standard LLMs can. For content in fast-moving niches like tech, finance, health, or anything requiring accuracy over opinion, Perplexity is the research companion that makes your AI-written content actually defensible. Use it to verify claims, find statistics, and surface recent developments, then hand the sourced information to Claude or ChatGPT to write. That combination, Perplexity for research, Claude or ChatGPT for prose, is a powerful production stack. Here's my honest recommendation. Start with Claude free tier and ChatGPT free tier. Use both. Figure out which one fits your writing style. When you're ready to pay, choose one. If you need versatility in a power tool, ChatGPT Plus. If you write a lot of long-form content and value clean prose, Claude Pro. If you're running marketing for a team, layer in Jasper or Copied AI on top. You do not need all of these. Pick 2 max. Master them. The ROI on one AI writing tool used well beats 5 tools used poorly. One final point. The tool is only as good as your prompt. Even the best AI writing tool will produce mediocre output with a mediocre prompt. Before you upgrade to a more expensive tier or a different platform, invest time in learning how to prompt the tool you already have. Most people who switch tools because they're not getting good results would get the same results with the new tool because the problem was the prompt, not the platform. The AI writing tool landscape is going to keep evolving, but these are the ones leading the pack right now in 2026. If you want to know which one to start with, just comment your use case below, and I'll tell you exactly which one fits. Don't forget to subscribe. We review and rank AI tools every week, so you don't have to spend your own money figuring it out. See you in the next one.